my slay babes, what's up?
The hippie to the hippie, the hip hip, the hopper, you don't stop. Rock it to the bang bang, the boogie say up, jump the boogie to the rhythm of the boogie beat. Well, skittle-bee-bop, we rock the Scooby-Doo. And guess what? America, we love you. Because you rock and roll with us so much so you can rock till you're 101 years old. I don't mean to brag, I don't mean to boast, but we're like hot.
I got a little video for you. So I'm actually going to be doing my eyebrows with a lip gloss. Yes, I am, you guys. How I got into actually doing my eyebrows with lip gloss was I actually had a red hairstyle, and I'm going to put that up right now. And with this red hairstyle, I always wanted to have red eyebrows, and I was like, you know what? Instead of me going out and getting a pencil, how about I use my own lipstick? Like, it's so cool. So the lipstick that I will be using is Perfect Tone Matte Lip Cream, and I will leave the information below with the brand and everything else that I got it from and how much it costs. I believe it was $3.39 from Walmart. Very, very affordable. Alright, so let's get this magic in. So I have no makeup on at all, and I'm about to apply this to my eyebrows currently and see if we can try to create a nice little eyebrow with this. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is just try to apply. Now, I know you guys are probably like, whoa, what the heck? This girl is actually doing her eyebrows with lipstick. Yes, I know, you guys. It's crazy, it's crazy. However, it really does make a good eyebrow that looks just nice, nice finished touch and smooth, especially when you have when you have colored hair. Okay, so this is this eyebrow, and I'm gonna go over here and do my other eyebrows. Ooh. Oh. Alrighty. So you guys, we done outlined our eyebrows. And now I'm just about to blend it all in. Okay? Okay. And also the highlighter that I used, I will leave down in the link below. To blend. We're going to blend like we cannot blend no more. And we're going to blend, 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 blend. Alright, you guys, so I am done. One thing that I love about doing my eyebrows with lipstick is the fact that it really does honestly look cleaner sometimes than a pencil, and it does take it's a quicker process because all you have to do is just get the stick and just say dum dum, you know what I'm saying? So I really do like it, but it's something that's very, very different, and I'm guessing it has to grow on me a tad bit more because I do not use it for my current hairstyle. However, you guys, I hope you like it. I am rocking these red eyebrows like it ain't nothing. And this is such a fun video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and let me know what you think about my eyebrows in the link below. Alright, thank you guys so much. Next week I will be uploading another video with tips and hacks on beauty and hair and life and possibly facials and everything. And oh my gosh. So make sure you follow and subscribe and like, and make sure you check out that video that I will be uploading next week. Thank you so much. Bye, Slay Babes.
Hip hop, you don't stop, rock it to the bang, bang the boogie, say up, jump the boogie to the rhythm of the boogie beat. Well, skittle bebop, we rock the Scooby-Doo, and guess what? America, we love you, because you rock and a roll with us so much so, you can rock till you're 101 years old. I don't mean to brag, I don't mean to boast, but we like hot